Hi everyone, my name is Niranjana Reddy BS. My roll number is 21CS30033. I am from section 20. For my DIY assignment 3, I have chosen to disassemble and reassemble a working optical mouse. As you can see in the screen over here, the mouse is in a working condition, and even the red light indicates it. Now let us disassemble the mouse. In order to disassemble the mouse, we have to first remove this screw right here. As you can see right here, this part is known as the scroll wheel. This right here, which is allowed to click, is the right click button. This over here is the left click button. Now let us further disassemble the mouse. As you can see, the whole board comes out separate as a separate part. Even the scroll wheel can be separated out. Now let us take this board. The board on which all these items are mounted on is known as a PCB, which stands for printed circuit board, the brown color board here. This right here is IC, integrated circuit, which takes in all the commands given by us. The part right here, a cylindrical part, this is an electrolytic capacitor. The part through which the USB cable of the mouse is connected to the PCB. The above part right here, this part is known as a RMC, female connector, RMC, which stands for relimate connector, and the bottom part to which the RMC female connector is connected is known as RMC male connector. The part right here, which allows the scroll wheel to stand upon it, is known as Z encoder, which is used to scroll down. Now let us go to behind of the backside of PCB. As you can see here, the three R's, R1, R8 and R5 are SMD resistors, where SMD stands for surface mounted device. These are surface mounted resistors. And as you can see here, C3 over here, this part is a surface mounted capacitor. This is a LED, and just above the LED here is a CMOS sensor, which senses the variation in light, thereby helping us in moving the pointer around the screen. Now let us reassemble the mouse. Just before that, this part you see here is an optical lens through which we can see the LED light outside of the mouse, and through which the CMOS sensor senses the change variation of light. Now let us reassemble it. As you can see, the scroll wheel is back. You can scroll up and down, as you can see here. Now let us look at the functioning of the mouse after reassemble. As you can see, we are able to scroll down and the left click is working as well as the right click. So the reassemble of the mouse is success and it is working perfectly. Thank you.